Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the best VPN for PayPal. Let's get started. When it comes to securing your financial transactions, not all VPNs are created equal. After extensive testing, our top recommendation is NordVPN, and you can find a great deal using the link in the description below. Based in privacy-friendly Panama, NordVPN offers an expansive network of over 6,000 servers across 61 countries, ensuring you can always find a fast, reliable connection for accessing PayPal from anywhere in the world. What really sets NordVPN apart for financial use is its proprietary NordLynx protocol. This is a superior version of WireGuard, designed to provide unmatched speed alongside top-tier security. This means your PayPal transactions are protected by military-grade 256-bit encryption without any frustrating lag or buffering. Additional security features include a dependable kill switch that instantly blocks your internet if the VPN connection drops, and split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps use the VPN. While NordVPN is our premier choice, let's look at two other excellent budget-friendly options. In second place, we have Surfshark. A major advantage is that it offers unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect every device in your household on a single subscription. It boasts over 3,200 servers in 100 countries and includes robust security features like an ad blocker and an IP rotator for enhanced privacy. In our speed tests, Surfshark maintained download speeds between 65 and 70 megabits per second, making it a very capable and affordable choice. Our third recommendation is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Its standout feature is its absolutely massive server network, over 35,000 servers globally. This huge selection means you have ample opportunity to find a fast, responsive server wherever you are. It also uses the WireGuard protocol for a good balance of speed and security. However, it's important to note that PIA is based in the United States, which is part of the Five Eyes Intelligence Alliance, a potential consideration for privacy-focused users. So, which one should you choose for PayPal? If you're looking for the best combination of blazing fast speeds, ironclad security, and a vast, reliable server network, NordVPN is the clear winner. It consistently delivers the performance and peace of mind you need for sensitive financial tasks. For those on a tighter budget or with many devices, Surfshark offers incredible value with its unlimited connections. And if server choice is your absolute top priority, PIA's enormous network is hard to beat. Ultimately, using a VPN is a crucial step to encrypt your connection and protect your financial details when using PayPal on public networks. For the best overall protection, we highly recommend NordVPN. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get the best possible price.